Good morning. My name is Stefano. I'm going to talk about custom valuation. Definition. Custom valuation is a custom procedure applied to determine the custom value of import goods if the rest of duty is at variant. The custom value is essential to determine the duty to be paid on an imported good. History article 7 of generate agreement on tariff and trade laid down the generate principle for international system of evaluation. I stipulate that the value for custom purpose of imported merchandise should be based on the value of imported merchandise, of which duty is asset of like merchandise and should not be based on the value of merchandise of national origin or on arbitrary or fictitious value. Base principle transaction value. The agreement stipulates that custom valuation shall in no okay, except in specified circumstances be based on the actual price of the goods to be valued, which in generally shown on the invoice. This price plus adjustment for same element listed in Article 8 equals the transaction value, which constitute the first and important method. The method of custom valuation in descending order of presented are transaction value, transaction value of identical goods, transaction value of similar goods, deductive method, computed method, fallback methods. Transaction value. The price actually paid or payable is the tarot payment made or to be made by the buyer for the benefit of the seller for the imported goods, and include all payment made as a condition of sale of the imported goods by the buyer to the seller or by the buyer to a third party to satisfy an obligation of the seller. Transaction value of identical goods. The transaction value is calculated in the same manner on identical goods if the goods are the same in all respects, including physical characteristic, quality and reputation. Produced in the same country as the goods being valued. For this method to be used, the goods must the must 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 be sold for export to the same country of importation as the goods being value computed value the most difficult and rarely used method determines the custom value on the base based of the cost of production of the goods being value plus all amount for profit and general expense usually reflected reflected in sales from the country of exportation to the country of importation of goods 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 the same class or kind 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 institution. The agreement establishes a committee on custom valuation composed of representatives from each of the members for the purpose of affording members the opportunity to consult on matters relating to the administration of the custom valuation system by any member or the furtherance of the objective of the agreement. Conclusion. Throughout the present, expansion has been placed on custom control of custom valuation merits. This is because an application of the WTO valuation agreement cannot be made. The correct valuation of merchandise is crucial because it will determine the amount of duty to be paid. If imported or exported merchandise is found to be undervalued, it might lead to delays in shipment and even civil or criminal penalties.